Welcome to Ecorporate Trainings, your gateway to mastering artificial intelligence and machine learning. Whether you're looking to build intelligent systems, explore generative AI, or pursue a career in cutting-edge technologies, our comprehensive AI and ML course is designed for you. Begin your journey with foundational concepts in generative AI, including NLP techniques, large language models, LLMs, and ethical AI deployment. Deepen your skills with a dedicated module on prompt engineering, learning how to craft, optimize, and evaluate effective prompts for AI systems. Explore the core of machine learning, from data pre-processing and algorithm selection to model optimization and deployment. Advance into deep learning, where you'll understand neural networks, training methods, and state-of-the-art architectures. Dive into natural language processing, NLP, to master text processing, traditional algorithms, and modern NLP applications. Expand your AI capabilities with computer vision, covering everything from image analysis to 3D vision and real-world deployment. Gain hands-on exposure to agentic AI, learning how autonomous systems make decisions, interact with environments, and pursue goal-directed behavior using reinforcement learning and intelligent planning. Strengthen your foundation with advanced data analytics and statistics, covering probability, regression, hypothesis testing, and statistical modeling, essential for building accurate and explainable AI systems. Finally, gain practical, cloud-based experience with AI development on platforms like Azure AI and Google AI. At Ecorporate, we offer hands-on projects, real-world experience, and expert instructors to guide you every step of the way. Upon completion, you'll earn a certificate that demonstrates your skills and readiness for the industry. Ready to take your AI and ML skills to the next level? Join Ecorporate Trainings and start your journey today. Visit www.ecorporatetrainings.com to learn more.